Hello students, welcome to science class. Hope you would have done the test well. I like to start today's session by sharing a few words about learning. My dear students, learning is a continuous process. It has no end. One can learn throughout his life from many things, especially from the environment. The great scientists have got innovative ideas for their inventions from their surrounding. So don't forget to grow the power of observation from your surrounding. Add positive ideas with your knowledge and delete the negative things from your mind. The Lord Almighty will lead you successfully. Okay, shall we start today's topic? Before that, a short recap. Do you remember what have we studied in the last class? In the last class, we studied about the types of mechanical waves. What are the types of mechanical waves? Transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Then we studied about the properties of sound. There are three important properties which decide the quality and quantity of the sound. They are loudness, pitch, and quality or timbre. Then we studied about the types of musical instruments. There are four important types of musical instruments. They are wind instruments, stringed instruments, reed instruments, and percussion instruments. Now we shall learn about how is sound produced in humans. In humans, the sound is produced in voice box called larynx. What is the another name for larynx? Voice box, which is present in throat. It is present in the upper end of the trachea. Trachea is nothing but the windpipe of the respiratory system. Windpipe. The larynx has a pair of ligaments called vocal cords stretched across it. The ligaments are nothing but they are the connective tissue fibers used to connect two bones. The vocal cords have a narrow slit in between and through which the air is blown in and out. When a person speaks, the air from the lungs is pushed upwards to the larynx through the trachea. As a result, the vocal cords vibrate and the sound is produced. By varying the length of the air column or the slit in the vocal cords. By changing the length of the air column in the slit, the different types of sound are produced. By varying the length of the air column in the slit, the sound of different pitch can be produced. In humans, the male has a deep and low pitch sound when compared to the females. This is because they have the longer and thicker vocal cords than the females. Look at this 3D model of the larynx. Where is the larynx located? The larynx is located at the upper end of the trachea. The larynx has a pair of ligaments called vocal cords. The vocal cords are stretched across the larynx. It has a slit through which the air travels. When a person speaks, the air from the lungs is pushed upwards to the larynx through trachea. As a result, there is a vibration is created. This vibration is taken to the brain and so the sound is produced. Due to this vibration, the sound is produced. By varying the thickness and the length of the vocal cord, the different types of sound can be produced. Now let us learn about mechanism of human ear. Ear is an important organ in all animals to hear sound. With the help of the ear, we are able to hear the sound. In human, the ear consists of three parts. They are outer ear, middle ear and and inner ear. The outer ear picks up. The outer ear picks up and interprets the sound from the environment. It consists of two different parts, that is the pinna and the ear canal. What are the two parts of outer ear? Pinna and ear canal. The pinna is specially designed to collect or to pick up the sound from the environment. It not only picks up the sound from the environment, it also interprets the sound to the inner ear. The sound which is picked up by the pinna travels through the ear canal. Then it reaches the eardrum. Eardrum is a membranous structure. Eardrum is a membranous structure. When the sound waves travel through the ear canal, it strikes the eardrum. As a result, it passes on to the middle ear. The middle ear consists of three ossicles. They are specially designed to move forward and backward. When the eardrum vibrates by means of the sound travels, the ossicles in the middle ear move forward and backward. So it creates a vibration, and this vibration is then passed on to the inner ear. See this, look at this inner ear. What is the shape of this inner ear? The inner ear is snail shell shaped. Snail shell shaped structure. The inner ear has specially designed cells to pick up the vibrations from the middle ear. So, from the middle ear, the vibrations are picked up by the special cells of the inner ear. Then from the inner ear, the sound is sent to the brain with the help of auditory nerves. So as a result, the sound waves which are travelled from the environment into the inner ear in the form of signals is received by the brain with the help of auditory nerve, and the sound is heard by the human beings. In this way, the human ear functions very wonderfully. As a result, we can hear the sound. Children, I hope you would have understood the mechanism of human ear very well. Once again, I recall all the parts. The three parts of the ear are outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. What are the parts of outer ear? Pinna and ear canal. Pinna and ear canal are the parts of outer ear. Then the middle ear. This is the middle ear. The middle ear consists of a cavity with three small bones. These three small bones are called ossicles. And the very smallest bone in our body is stapes. That is one of the bones in the middle ear. That is the smallest bone in our body. Then the third part is inner ear. The inner ear contains cochlea. It is snail shell shaped structure. It has special cells to pick up the sound vibrations from the middle ear. Finally, from the inner ear, the auditory nerves take the signals to the brain, and so the sound is heard.